Welcome back to MVP Auto. Get ready to experience the future of luxury driving with the all-new 2025 Toyota Century SUV. This vehicle is more than just a car. It's a revolution in how we think about elegance, power, and comfort. For decades, Toyota's Century line has been the epitome of sophistication in Japan, with its iconic sedans known for offering supreme luxury to those who value exclusivity. But now, Toyota is breaking away from tradition and transforming the Century into a breathtaking SUV. You won't believe the level of craftsmanship and innovation packed into this vehicle until you see it for yourself. Picture this, all the luxury and refinement you would expect from a high-end sedan, but in a spacious and commanding SUV. The 2025 Century SUV is built to be as large as some of the biggest models on the road today. But here's where it gets interesting. It's designed to seat only 4 passengers. This ensures an unparalleled sense of space and comfort for every individual inside. The rear seats are where the magic happens. Centrally located and designed to recline in multiple positions, they offer passengers the ultimate in relaxation during their journey. Under the hood, the Century SUV is equipped with a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid system. This impressive hybrid combines a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine with an advanced all-wheel drive setup, delivering a smooth yet powerful ride. Although exact performance numbers haven't been released, rumors suggest it could share similarities with another high-end Toyota model, the Lexus TX 550 Plus, which boasts a thrilling output of around 406 horsepower. This hints that the Century SUV will be more than capable of delivering excellent performance, smooth acceleration, and superior handling, making every drive feel both effortless and exciting. What's more, the hybrid system is designed with fuel efficiency in mind, supporting Toyota's ongoing commitment to creating vehicles that are not only powerful, but also environmentally friendly. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, you'll feel the seamless transitions from electric to engine power, giving you the perfect balance of performance and efficiency. As you might expect from a brand like Toyota, the transmission will likely match the impeccable reputation for reliability and quality that the company is known for, even though the specifics have not yet been disclosed. The 2025 Toyota Century SUV is set to make its global debut soon, and anticipation is building worldwide. While it will initially be available only in Japan, the rest of the world is watching closely, eager to see how this groundbreaking luxury SUV will reshape the automotive landscape. This vehicle is not just a new addition to Toyota's lineup. It's a bold statement combining tradition, innovation, and the future of luxury driving.